Hey guys, welcome to MotorBeam. This is the Mahindra Thar Roxx, which has just been launched in India. We know the prices of the base model. The base petrol is priced at 12.99 lakh and the base diesel is priced at 13.99 lakh. बाकी variants की pricing कल पता चल जाएगी, but let's have a close look at the Thar Roxx. We'll first come to the grill right now. यहाँ पे आपको महिंद्रा का badging मिल जाती है. You don't get the new logo, but you get the old font right here, which is embossed in the grill. And this shade of brown is actually different compared to the one that we had on the Thar 3-door. वो जो copper orange color आता था, this one is actually a darker shade and it has this metallic finish if you come close. यहाँ पे आपको नई grill मिल जाती है. You get a front camera right here and you can have a look at the different elements of the grill right here. यहाँ पे आपको mesh protector मिल जाता है. And let's come to the headlight of the car. यहाँ पे आपको circular DRL मिल जाता है and you get LED projectors right here. यहाँ पे आपको halogen projector मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे आपको LED projector मिल जाता है and here's a look at the dual tone bumper of the car right here. The bonnet opening system is the same as the Thar 3-door. यहाँ पे आपको indicator मिल जाता है and this is a look at the 18-inch wheels of this car. So if you buy the base model, you'll get steel wheels, but बाकी top and mid variants में आपको alloy wheels यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. Here's a close look at the tires. This particular car has MRF Wanderer all-terrain tires. यहाँ पे आपको indicator मिल जाता है over here and you get this big Thar Roxx badging right here and even on the mirror over here. यहाँ पे आपको old school वाइपर्स मिल जाते हैं and you can have a look at the hook over here, the bonnet opening mechanism, and यहाँ पे आपको वाइपर वॉशर के लिए सिस्टम मिल जाता है and over here you get all those sensors. So coming to the side profile of the car, you get this sturdy footrest and footstep basically, and यहाँ पे आपको old school door handle मिल जाता है. You get a keyhole also right here and this is how the door pad of the car looks like. These buttons are shared with the XUV 700. Harman Kardon का ट्विटर आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है and this chrome finished door handle over here. बाकी आपको plastics और soft touch materials मिल जाते हैं. This is actually a soft touch material. यहाँ पे आपको white plastic मिल जाता है. There's a small bottle holder right here and यहाँ पे एक speaker मिल जाता है Harman Kardon का. Coming to this A pillar, you get this grab handle right here to get inside the car. You get a lot of buttons over here, no dummy buttons at all. Fuel opener यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है, fuel lid opener, auto start stop, hill descent control, parking camera system, everything right here. AC vent मिल जाता है. You get some carbon finish over here, and this steering wheel is of course shared with the Scorpio N and the XUV 700. Coming to the rear door, the most important part of the Thar Roxx. This can be opened from here and you can have a look at the kink on the C pillar over here. ये आपको कैसा लगा ये सेक्शन वो मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ. This whole design over here, sloping roof आपको मिल जाती है and this opens up like this. तो ये close look है इसके door handle का and this opens almost 90 degrees wide. Here's a look at the size and shape of the window. यहाँ पे भी dual tone finish मिल जाती है and you get a single power window switch. That's about it. Very small bottle holder storage area over here actually and you get leatherette upholstery. यहाँ पे भी grab handle मिल जाता है and let me get inside the rear seat actually. You can have a look at the space on offer. I cannot share a lot of opinions right now because of the embargo, but आप headroom देख लीजिए. Come a little closer and have a look at the headroom that I have over here. I'm 6 feet tall. There's an LED light right here and you get this white upholstery. Grab handle मिल जाता है. AC vents over here and a 12 volt and a type C USB charging port over here. So that's about it. Knee room आप देख लीजिए. This is the kind of knee room on offer and you get 3 headrests at the back, 2 adjustable and the middle one is fixed. This thing also opens up the armrest with 2 cup holders and let me show you the dashboard over here. So this is how the dashboard of the Thar Roxx looks like. Touch screen आपको बड़ी सी यहाँ पे मिल जाती है. Similar user interface as the 700. This portion is similar to the Thar 3-door. You get these sporty pedals, aluminium pedals और digital instrument cluster आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. You can have a look at the user interface and of course the bonnet is visible from here. Auto dimming IRVM मिल जाता है and this is the panoramic sunroof of the Thar Roxx. Dual tone finish आपको dashboard पे मिल जाती है and coming to the center area you get some storage areas right here. This is the key of the car. I'll show you a close look of that also. Same key as the other models from Mahindra and you get this automatic gearbox of course and 4x4. ये open हो जाता है armrest and this is the storage area. So I'll show you the interiors in detail. But coming to the rear portion of the car, let's come here. You get this LED tail lamp and of course the spare wheel is mounted right here. इसको open करते हैं This thing opens up similar to the Thar 3-door, sideways open हो जाता है, and then the glass opens up. You get a rear wiper over here, and this is the boot space on offer. This is the 5-door Thar Roxx that we have been waiting for since a long time. You get a subwoofer over here, and यहाँ पे बस आपको storage area मिल जाता है. So let's do one thing. Let's shut the boot, and now we'll come to the driver's seat of the Thar Roxx. I'm now seated in the driver's seat of the Thar Roxx. Electric adjustment मिल जाता है driver's seat के लिए, and yeah, seems familiar. You can have a look at the 360 camera of the car over here. Front view, side view आपको सब मिल जाता है यहाँ पे. This also shows left door opened because the door is open. Cabin light मैं आपको on कर देता हूँ यहाँ पे सब, and this is the sunroof control. Sunroof आप यहाँ से control कर सकते हैं. You can also open the sunroof. So let me open it for you. Sunroof open हो गया, and what do you guys think of the sunroof on the Thar? बताओ, do you think an off-roader needs a sunroof? Your thoughts are very valuable. Anyway, coming back, you get this electric parking brake right here with auto hold. 2 cup holder मिल जाते हैं यहाँ पे, and a couple of USB ports right here. These buttons for the different functions, including the ventilated seats, and you get auto AC on the Thar Roxx. So I guess that's about it. I've given you a detailed idea on the Thar Roxx. 2 engine options, petrol and diesel, and I'll tell you more about the performance when I drive this car. So tomorrow I'm taking this car for a long drive in Kochi. Off-roading करेंगे, mileage test करेंगे, practicality test करेंगे, सब कुछ होगा. And until then, I think let me know your thoughts on the Thar Roxx in the comments below. What do you think of the starting price? आपको attractive लगी? आप लोगे base model? Base model they are saying is not very basic. They are saying it is loaded with all the essential goodies. यहाँ पे आपको height adjustment भी मिल जाता है seat belt के लिए, and I think yeah, it's loaded with a lot of features. This is how the glow box of the car looks like, and यहाँ पे आपको Thar Roxx का ये plate मिल जाता है. So that's it. Here's a detailed look at the Thar Roxx. Now you guys tell me your thoughts on this SUV in the comments below. मुझे बताओ आपका favorite feature कौन सा है ये SUV का. Done. इतना था.